TT251N14KOF by uscomponent.com. The TT251N14KOF is a high-performance Thyristors module from Infineon Technologies, designed for demanding industrial applications. Operating at 1400 V and 250 A, it is ideal for use in motor drives, power supplies, and industrial inverters. This module features low on-state voltage and high surge current capability, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. Its robust construction and advanced thermal management support long-term durability in challenging environments. The compact design allows for easy installation and integration into various systems. Infineon's commitment to quality and innovation makes the TT251N14KOF a preferred choice for optimizing power conversion and enhancing the performance of high-power electronic systems. Ready to buy TT251N14KOF? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.